as you can see, I hope you can see me very well. Oh, this place looks like it's dark. Why? Okay, let's position it this angle. And this place look more brighter. That place look like it's dark. Let me see. Okay, this is actually my room, but I prefer master bedroom as madam where I be. This is actually madam's room, but you know what? I prefer to go to master bedrooms because master bedroom with the luxury. There's a luxury in that master bedroom. So as you can see, I just want to place this thing so where you can see me very, very well. No, this thing is gonna cover my glory. My glory. I don't want anything to cover my glory. Please, can you hang in there? Okay. Actually, it's good here. So, as you can see, madam, you can see madam walking majestically in her room. Classy madam walking majestically in her comfort resident, in her luxury house. Check madam house. Queen of all queens. Okalisi. No reason for that name. Now, Ogechi Yelam Awanya. Hey, now this traditional wear is gonna fit him. Despite that, this is my sister-in-law who I can't measure, but at least it still looks good on me. I'm gonna give my fitting body. If you get body where they fit clothes, it doesn't matter who they use. The thing goes to checking out. The thing goes to goes. So, as you can see, this is actually my room. But you know what? I decided to go to master bedroom. This is actually my room. You can see how luxury is this place. The AC, all the house, the AC is AC. Then 24 hours. 24 hours lights. This is a federal line. If anything happens when the man is solar, Jim Vata, I convert to inverter. When you come busy, who I be, you know? When you come, learn my chamber, when you come busy, look at how they take good care of Queen. I need to change this light. I want you to see something. I want you to see this wonderful, beautiful light of Queen. So I want it to be so lighty, baby. You gotta be lighty for Queen. Just even I have my chandelier. Why are you not showing? Are you seeing my beautiful lights? Here. Oh, Queen, come on now, come off it, Ogechi. just you know, just for a recap. Wait, I gotta put it here. Just for a recap, you want to go? What's the matter here? Traditional wear. What's the matter? They wear traditional wear and they use traditional. Hey, no, but I'm a grandma. You see, I think I'm still interested a little bit. Still looks good on me. Queen. Living my best life, enjoying my luxury. Please, even Dr. Gochukwu Keleremia, the man who Ogechi Jemba, Ohamadike, my Army General, Dr. Ogechi Okeke Njaka, you are loved. A man that made his family proud. A man that because someone a good woman behind him. Someone a woman like Queen. Or somebody that thinks ahead of time. A woman like me. Without me, we wouldn't have had things like this. Because they were a solid profound, elegant, intelligent woman. She had come with majestically moves. One day you could choose able to be. And what on a woman of time is a woman of substance. So a woman of strength is a woman of peace. Queen is a woman of progress. Queen is the key. Queen is important. Make things get change. A boom walk man. If I enter your body, things you go they do. It's my destiny. Your life begin to change. Oh, woman, I have to put on. They know they have Polamo. I'm a bunny muddy. Can I bring a mud law? When the long one gave bunny destiny, give bunny no. I don't know. Come on, Shinga. Long one, you and they move. Yabrus, so got that pesha. Yeah, will peace gave me peace. I don't in all round. So, as you can see, this should be my house. Sorry, this should be my room, but when the master bedroom I thought of him, it gets wild. It gets wild. Wait. Please, it gets wild. Where's my lights? All my lights should be on. This is my house help. Are you okay? Are you okay? You don't know that everywhere should be lightened. Are you okay? What is wrong with you? All the lights should be on. Okay? Because everywhere should be toned down, I'm gonna turn everywhere on. A woman of grace is the woman of love. A woman of grace is the woman. Now check it on. 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 A woman of grace, and one reason why I stay here, because we are a master. Every father a master. So on that note, see you guys later. Bye.